Hello, welcome to Make Potato. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, you will see how to make homemade chutney pudi or what we call as chutney pudi in Karnataka. It's a very simple recipe. It should take not more than 20 to 30 minutes to make it, and it's a beginner friendly recipe also. So let's see how it's done.
First, you can place a tawa on a stove and allow it to warm up. Once it's warm enough, you can add the first ingredient, which is the chana dal. This dal will take some time to roast as it is slightly bigger in size. Keep roasting the chana dal on a low flame. You might be tempted to increase the temperature to, roast it faster, but I have experienced that it roasts unevenly and might even get burnt. So take it slow. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Once dal is brown, you can transfer it to a plate. The next ingredient is the urad dal. I'm using split urad dal, but you can use whole urad dal as well. You can take half a cup. So the ratio of chana dal to urad dal will be about 1 is to half. Urad dal will roast quite quickly since the pan is already heated and the lentils are much smaller in size. Now you can transfer the dal to the same plate. The next ingredient is the red chilies. I have used about 10 of them, but you can go up to 15 depending on how spicy your family likes it. Red chilies also get crisp very quickly, so stay close. And the moment you hear the red chilies scratching against the pan, you can remove it and add it to the same plate as the dals. The red chilies will continue roasting once you've removed it from the pan. Next ingredient is the desiccated coconut or kobri. I love the taste of kobri in the chutney pudi, so I've added about a whole cup. And amongst all the ingredients, kobri takes the least time, so you don't want it to burn. It will get roasted in about 10-15 seconds. You can transfer it to a separate place since we are going to grind it later. Now you can add some asafoetida powder to the toasted coconut and you can allow all the ingredients to cool down for about 10-15 minutes. There is very less active work involved in making chutney pudi and a lot of waiting around for ingredients to cool down. Now you can add the dal and the red chilies to the mixer and grind it to a smooth powder. You might still see some lumps, but that's okay. We are now going to add the coconut, jaggery and salt to the mixer for the second round of grinding. You have to do 2 rounds because if you put the coconut in the first round, there is a possibility that the coconut might start releasing oil and the entire pudi might become too lumpy. After the second round of grinding, you can check if all the dals are ground into a nice powder and you can now spread it on a plate and allow it to cool down. You can store this spicy chutney pudi in a container at room temperature and use it up to 2 months. After that also you can use it, but the freshness might be gone. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and hope you'll make it as well in your house. Let me know. Thank you. Bye.